Hey guys, it's Jeremy here with the Guillette Group, and today we're going to be previewing Bonita Lakes. I brought the wrong camera, so I apologize. It's going to shake a little bit, but I wanted to make sure we didn't miss a week. I wanted to get you into another great community built by Toll Brothers. So hop in the car with us, take a look. We'll show you the houses, the neighborhood, and the amenities. And if you have any questions, of course, always reach out to us. Hit us up in the comments below. Hit the like button, subscribe. Reach out to us on any of our social media platforms. We're always accessible to you guys. Welcome to Bonita Lakes. So we're entering off of Three Oaks Parkway, which becomes Imperial down at Bonita Beach. This community sits south of Corkscrew Rd, south of the Brooks, and it's just west of I-75. And what you'll find here, these are all, they're entirely single-family homes. They're built by Toll Brothers. They're relatively new. You're going to see a very common look and feel, that kind of northern Italy, maybe Tuscan, Mediterranean style. The HOA does include, your lawn care and landscape maintenance. So you'll see that everything is well maintained. Bonita Lakes is just that. It's built around a bunch of lakes. The perimeter homes do not, but basically everything else is built around a lake. So if you're looking for a water view in a nice luxury community, you can find that here. And one of the nice things that someone pointed out to me once is when you look at the roads, hardly anything is straight. So there's always like little winds and bends, which you can even see here, which just gives this community a nice look and aesthetic feel to it. Okay, so moving to the amenities, there's a really nice community center here. There's actually a fitness center, a community room, and I believe I recall catering kitchen in there as well. As we come around to the left-hand side, there's actually two Hartrue clay tennis courts. There's also bocce, which I didn't remember to get, but that actually sits to the left here of these tennis courts. So we're going to just take a peek inside the gates. You can see them, and you can almost see, I believe when I open the door here, the top of some covered area for the bocce. Yes, way back in the back left. So you get a sense and feel for what the amenities are here, and then we're going to look over here towards the pool. Really nice pool and deck area. Looks back over one of the larger lakes in the community, so I'll give a couple different shots of that. And then you'll see here from one of the lake views, this is one of the bigger lakes, and back to what I was saying earlier, most of the homes back up to a lake with the exception of the perimeter homes along the outside. Well, Bonita Lakes is a pretty small neighborhood, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time driving you around, and frankly, because of the shakiness of the camera, I don't think you'd want to spend that time with us in this video. So you'll get a sense, though, of just the look and the feel, the winding nature of the roads. Toll Brothers is a really great builder. I'd say they're maybe just a step up above a Pulte and a Lennar, from more design elements on the outside, more trim work, etc. on the inside. Again, this is a really great community in a great location. Multiple lakes in here, so if that's something you're looking for, make sure you reach out to us. Well, I hope you like Bonita Lakes, and if you're interested in looking at Bonita Lakes, or if you're interested in any other community but maybe you have to sell a home for, make sure you watch this video next if you have to buy and sell at the same time.